The first thing you're going to need to do to make bevel gears is to make sure you have the gear workbench installed. So you can go into add-in manager and type in gear, and just to make sure you install this gears workbench. So when you do have it installed, go ahead and go into the gear workbench. And you see here, there's a variety of different gears you can make in the workbench. Today we're going to be doing bevel gears, so click on that. And the workbench does a pretty good job. I mean, this is like 90% complete. But if we tried to mesh this with another gear, it would not be pretty. So we need to do some post-processing on this gear. We have a lot of options we can change here for the dimension of the gear itself. For fun, I'm just going to change this to 30 degrees. It really doesn't matter. Pick what you want. Once you have that done, go into the part design workbench, and we're going to create a body. And then go ahead and drag that bevel gear that we just made in the gear workbench into the body. I'm going to post-process the top of the bevel gear first and then the bottom next. So go ahead and select the top of the bevel gear and then go into sketch. And we're going to bring in this vertex here and this vertex here. And we're going to use a circle sketch to go to this vertex and another one going to this one. Okay, now that we have these two sketches, we can start working on the top here. So I'm going to unhide the origin planes. I'm just going to select one of the planes here and sketch on it. Now I'm going to need to do a section view, and I'm going to bring in this circle and this circle. Okay, and I'm going to do view sketch to get normal, to have a normal view of the sketch. Now I'm going to make a line sketch. Now let's constrain this. So I want to make sure that this line is horizontal. And remember the 30 degrees we had earlier for the pitch angle for the bevel gear? I'm going to be applying that same angle on this sketch here, on between this line and this line. And I'm going to constrain this point and this point vertically. And I'm going to constrain this vertex with the origin vertically as well. So close this, and now I can make a groove with this sketch. Select OK. And there we are, we're done with the top. So let me go ahead and hide the origin and also hide the sketch. Looks pretty nice. So let's work on the bottom here. So a very similar strategy. Select the bottom face, add a sketch. I'm going to bring in this vertex here and also this vertex here. I'm going to make a circle sketch to that first vertex and then another one to that second vertex. Close out the sketch. I'm going to unhide the origin again. I'm going to sketch on this plane here. I'm going to select section view. Let's go ahead and rotate this and bring in this circular sketch and this circular sketch. Okay. Now we're going to add a line. Just go up to here. Add a line here. Let's constrain both of these. This angle is also going to be 30 degrees. Now make a groove. Select OK. And there you go. Let me go ahead and hide the origin and the sketch. At this point, you're done. And so congratulations. You've successfully made a bevel gear in FreeCAD. Well, thank you everyone for watching. If you liked the video, consider subscribing. Have a good one.